Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign a document in Word on your phone. First, open the Microsoft Word application on your mobile device. Navigate to and select the specific document you need to sign. Make sure the document is in an editable format, not read-only, so you can make changes. This initial step is crucial for a smooth signing process, setting the stage for adding your signature digitally. Next, let's add a dedicated space for your signature. Tap on the Insert tab located in the Word ribbon at the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your phone's operating system. From the various options presented, select Signature Line. Once inserted, you can easily drag and drop this line to the precise location within your document where you intend to place your signature, ensuring a professional appearance. Now it's time to create your actual signature. Tap on the signature line you just added. You'll then see options like Sign or Add Signature. Here, you can choose to draw your signature using your finger or a stylus directly on your phone screen, or even insert an image of your pre-existing signature. Alternatively, some versions allow you to type your name, which Word converts into a signature-like font. This flexibility ensures you can sign in a way that suits you best. Finally, review your newly added signature to ensure it looks correct and is positioned perfectly within the document. Once satisfied, tap Done or Confirm to apply the signature. It's essential to save your document immediately after signing to preserve all your changes. For enhanced security and to prevent further alterations, consider exporting the signed document as a PDF. This ensures the integrity of your signed agreement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.